Is your roof covered by unsightly moss? Does it let down the appearance of your home? A roof's constant exposure to the elements leads to tile deterioration, mortar failing, and unsightly moss, algae, and lichens becoming established, often leading to expensive repairs or even requiring complete roof replacement. We can completely transform your roof in just a few days. ClimaShield roof coatings and heat reflective coatings are manufactured to BS 5750 ISO 9001 standards in the UK using the highest quality raw materials. Roof coatings come in a range of colours and a clear finish that have been rigorously tested for accelerated weathering, water vapour permeability, freeze-thaw resistance and roof tile adhesion. Before any work is started, a full roof survey and risk assessment is carried out and quotations confirmed in writing. ClimaShield roof coatings are applied by our UK network of friendly, experienced, independent professional agents. All our installers are fully insured, trained and equipped with the latest cleaning and application equipment. To eliminate mess and prevent future problems, walls and neighbouring properties are protected, with downpipes detached. Cleaning is carried out using professional cleaning equipment, and once complete, the property is left clean and tidy. Once dry, all necessary repairs to the roof tiles and mortar are carried out. Prior to application of the roof coating, a fungicide is applied to inhibit the growth of moss, algae and lichens. 2 coats of roof coating are then applied, allowing time to dry between coats. Edges and corners are then finished by hand. The process is now complete, with the roof transformed and protected, and it will keep looking good for years to come. Benefits of applying ClimaShield include transformed appearance, prevents water penetration and frost damage, extends roof lifespan, long life UV resistant colour, inhibits growth of moss, lichens and algae, and adds value to the property. Contact us now for further information and a free quotation. You can call or contact us via our website.